Have you spent restless nights thinking about your crush and wondering if you were on their mind too? Have you been looking for tips and tricks to figure out if a guy secretly loves you? Are you looking for answers to how to tell if someone likes you? The hardest and the most frustrating part of falling in love is not knowing whether the other person loves you or not. Well, the good news is that if a guy has feelings for you, there will always be subtle signs he loves you secretly. Yes, even if he is trying hard to keep his feelings under wraps. In this video, I'll tell you the 7 subtle signs of a guy loving you secretly. Also, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and comment down "I subscribed," and we'll reply to all your comments. With that, let's get started with 7 subtle signs of a guy loving you secretly. Number 1. He keeps his promises. The fact that a man would take even the tiniest commitments made to you seriously and go above and beyond to make sure you're not let down is one of the obvious signals that he is truly in love with you. Yes, a guy who is secretly in love with you will make sure he keeps his word, even if it means traveling a long way to bring you your preferred dessert. He would never want to disappoint you or irritate you by breaking his word. His zeal to keep you happy and smiling will also be noticed by others. For example, if he said he will call you, then he will surely call you without fail. Or if he said he will meet you, then he will make it a point to meet you even in the pouring rain. Plus, he will also keep hinting that he is willing to settle down with you. This is a sign he secretly loves you. He will talk about how you guys are perfect for each other and are very compatible. Number 2. He remembers everything that you say to him. How to know if someone likes you back? For starters, he will remember every little detail of what you say to him. You will be amazed to find out that the guy remembers everything that you say to him, whether it is your favorite color or some issue you are facing at work. He knows how you like your coffee and what is your go-to song when you are in a bad mood. He is always attentive and never misses a thing you say, even when it is very trivial. This is his way of showing his affection toward you. This is also his way of letting you know how important you are to him and how interested he is in getting to know you better. If you notice him being unusually attentive to every little thing that matters to you, count it among the signs he secretly loves you but is scared. So if you notice that the guy remembers everything that you say to him, this is his way of showing his affection toward you. Number 3. He tries to highlight the similarities between you two. This is a pretty basic thing to do, but it's a surprisingly good and reliable way of making sure that you feel comfortable with him. If you're in the same spot in your life, you're probably going through the same struggles. He knows this, which is why he will try to bring up these commonalities between the two of you. This will make you feel like you can talk to him about your problems, because he is going to make you feel like he has been through the same things that you are going through. It can be anything from a boyfriend, girlfriend situation, trying to find a job, or anything else that is relevant in your life. The commonalities don't have to be serious either. The only thing that matters is that you have something in common, and this something in common will help the two of you relate with one another. He knows that this will build rapport between the two of you, and that over time, there will be more chance that you will eventually like him. Sign number 4. The guy does not shy away from physical contact. While respecting you and your boundaries, he might try to make physical contact with you by touching your hands, patting your shoulder, hugging you, etc. If you are the one initiating contact, then a shy guy may be shocked at first, but eventually will be okay with you being close to him and will reciprocate your advances. This physical proximity will be oddly comforting for him and you if you two feel the same way about him. Soon you will have established a comfort zone where your flirtatious moves venture into the physical plane with subtle advances, like your fingers momentarily intertwining with each other's, a lot of accidental brushes, and affectionate touches. This is a sign the guy loves you deeply. Sign number 5. Your thoughts and opinions matter to him. One of the signs a guy is totally in love with you is that how you view him will become increasingly important to him. He will want to consult you and ask for your opinion when he is in trouble or confused about something. If he is ever faced with a dilemma or has some life-changing decision to make, then he will turn to you for support and advice. Even if your opinions differ, he will intently listen to you and value what you have to say. This is because you are important to him, and thus your thoughts and opinions matter to him. He would never belittle you and will always value your opinions and suggestions. Showing that they know what it takes to respect a woman in a relationship is among the ways guys hint they like you. Since his feelings for you are genuine, he doesn't even have to try too hard to make you feel that way. Love and respect for you will come naturally to him. Sign number 6. He texts you right back, even if it's just a quick response. If he's hiding his feelings for you, then he might be waiting to see if the feelings are mutual before he starts returning your text messages on the spot. In this case, it takes a while for him to respond to you because he wants to wait and see how interested you really are in him. So as a result, he makes sure to not respond right away, otherwise they'll appear too needy and desperate, and that's the last impression he wants to give. After all, he really likes you, but he wants to keep it secret until he knows for sure that the feelings are mutual. Sign number 7. He compliments you a lot. If he likes you and can't stop thinking about you, then he's going to compliment you out of the blue. It doesn't matter if it's not something that even applies to the current conversation. He will just come up with random things to say, and he will look at you when he says it as if it's the most amazing thing in the world. Furthermore, if you smile or blush when he compliments you, then it will make his day, literally. When a guy has a crush on a girl, he thinks about her a lot, and he notices unique things about her that other people don't. This is why his compliments won't be generic or about your physical appearance. They will be compliments about unique tidbits of your personality. There you have it, guys. 7 subtle signs a guy's loving you secretly. Thank you so much for watching. I want to hear from you in the comments. Would you like more videos like these? If you would be sure to comment yes. And as always, leave any suggestions for other videos you would like me to make in the future. Be sure to share this with a friend, guys. Now you can watch this video.